Hi, friends, and welcome to the Ray of Math. I am Miss Ray, and I'm really excited to have you be a part of the journey, a math journey. Okay, we have already mastered counting to 10. Well, what about 20? Can we count to 20? I know you can, but we are going to go through it together to make sure you got it down pat, right? So, first, we're going to count out loud to 20. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to get my colorful blocks down here, and we're going to also count with these. Sounds good? Okay. So now we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's count my colorful blocks. I'll grab a handful without looking. I got some in my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need some more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this little group makes up 10 cubes. I'm going to put that over here. Second group, starting from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good job. Wow. You're really good at counting. So now we have this set of cubes is 10. And then we have another set of 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. Wow. You did a really good job counting. Make sure you keep practicing counting all the way up to 20 because next time we're going to learn what makes up these numbers, tens and ones. So good job, great job. I'll see you next time.